Hi, I'm Matt. I'm the Vice President in Aerospace, and I give TravelBank a 5 out of 5. So previously we used Concur, not at my company, but at a much larger company. Concur is a very cumbersome database that takes quite amount of time to input your travel, your expenses, the approval cycles, and then also adding receipts is a quite a difficult task. It does have an app. It's gotten a little bit easier over the years. However, it's still a pretty cumbersome process. You can spend an hour plus after a trip just filling out your trip reports from Concur. I chose TravelBank because through my search, I moved to a smaller company and I needed something to efficiently submit my travel and expenses to our CFO. So I looked through many different options. I chose TravelBank because first, it was free to use, and second of all, it was extremely easy to take a quick photo of your receipt, and it will itemize it based on the trip that you created on whatever trip you're on. And then simply at the end of the trip, once all your receipts are uploaded, you just hit submit and it sends an email straight to your CFO, and it'll send an email to you directly. And it makes a nice PDF that whoever accounting or CFO can read through to process your expenses. So onboarding TravelBank in our company was a pretty simple process. Our CFO just simply wanted something that wasn't cumbersome to him. Previously, we were just using a large stack of papers with receipts, which was pretty cumbersome to him. So TravelBank was very well received. Once I found it, I tried it out once on a small trip. Submitted the expenses, went straight to his email, and he sent it for payment. It was extremely easy. It's about 3 steps. So that's why TravelBank stuck. So when considering TravelBank, you need to keep in mind that once you submit your expenses to whoever you need to, accounts payable or the CFO, you need to keep track of your expenses yourself. So there's an area where you can mark off paid or unpaid to keep track of previous trips. However, you need to do that manually, and it's good to send yourself a copy of each of those trip reports so you can manually track which ones have been paid and which ones have not been paid.